Hey, this is Ray with Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. Today we're doing a repair on one of our tanks. Had a little melt area on there. Let me flip the camera around to show you. We had a generator on our trailer and it just got a little bit close to the tank, the exhaust on there, and melted a few holes into my 350-gallon storage tank. So we're going to go over and show you how to repair a tank like this. Let me give you a close-up view of the holes in here where the generator was sitting on the frame. It melted clean through the tank and it doesn't hold water anymore past about 150 gallons. Tools we're going to use include a Sentinel heat gun, spare piece of tank material, putty knife, some regular knives to melt this plastic and put a patch over it. I've been melting this tank about 800 degrees, a little over 800 degrees. And we just hold the heat gun up to that and get the plastic nice and soft. As your plastic is heating up, you'll notice that it'll start to turn clear. That's whenever you know it's to a point where you can work with it as it turns clear and translucent. Now I've come in with my knife and kind of smoothed down those rough edges and pushed them back into the hole some to get ready for the patch. Now I've stuck a piece of material onto the melted edges and it's sticking on its own power. Now I'm going to come in here with the heat gun and just do a little more melting to soften that up to seal all the edges of this patch. Now after we've melted this other patch on there, you can see it's turned clear and it's very malleable and it's literally just sealing itself, melting together to the existing tank. So I got a little excess over here I can work to put in towards the second hole right here and just smoothing it out so that'll make less to patch at my second patch. As far as getting pieces of extra tank to do your patch inside your lip, let me move up here and show you, is actually a real good place to find spare plastic. You can see I cut that one chunk out of the inside of this lip to get the material. And I'll just go on to a couple of different tanks and continue cutting out pieces and work my way out and reseal all 6 of these holes. Anyway, hope this little tip helps. Ray Burke, Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. Bye-bye. All right, I got the first 3 series of holes patched on here. I'll flip the camera around so you can see. And as that cools and dries, if I wanted to, I could go in and sand that some, you know, polish it up a little bit. I probably won't. This is just one of our backup trailers we have with an extra water tank. So I just need it to be functional. Don't really care how it looks. Anyway, this is Ray with Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning, Tallahassee, Florida. If we can ever help you with any of your pressure washing or soft washing needs, please give us a call. Look us up online. Thanks. Bye-bye.